Meaning of hassle.
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 Hassle. The word hassle refers to a situation or experience that is difficult, annoying, and time-consuming. It is typically used to describe a problem or complication that arises when trying to complete a task or achieve a goal. Examples of hassles might include dealing with bureaucratic procedures, experiencing technical difficulties, or facing unexpected obstacles. Hassles can be frustrating and cause stress or anxiety, and they can often lead to delays or failures in achieving desired outcomes. Overall, the term hassle conveys a negative connotation and suggests an unwelcome or undesirable experience.